Who's calling it? Who's calling it?
Opening day, SPECKS season 2025.
Hey.
Is this what did I miss? Hell yeah! What did I miss? What did I miss? What did I miss?
SPECKS season opener 2025, man, it was a great weekend. Filmed for Turntop Waterfowl. Filmed for him a lot last year. Got a bunch of hunts with Turntop Waterfowl. Hit a lot of birds last year. Went for opening spec last year, and we did all right. But this opener was so much better than last year. It was a great opening weekend for SPECKS season. I mean, they're killing birds right now, still as I speak. I want to say we killed an 11-man the first day, and then the second day we killed a 14-man, I believe. So yeah, we killed a bunch of birds in 2 days. Got some really good footage. Got to Arkansas Friday afternoon. Showed up to the pen that Bryce sent me of the field that we're hunting. Then after that, once it got dark, we went out to the field and set up the A-frames and the full bodies for the morning. As you know, me personally, I like doing that a lot better. If y'all ever hunt fields, you know it's a lot better to do all that stuff the night before the hunt than it is in the morning. Got up that next morning and went out to the field, and we still had to brush a couple more things that we forgot to do, and we just wanted to, tweak a couple of stuff. What you gotta say about it?
Gonna get turned up.
And once them clients showed up and we started stuffing people in the A-frames, man, everybody was expecting to have a good hunt, man. I could feel it. It was about to be good. I was excited. As a filmer, I was excited to watch this hunt happen. It was great.
Opening SPECKS season 2025. Let's get it, let's get it.
3 minutes till.
No time, baby. The first half of the morning, the birds really didn't finish the way we wanted to. For some reason, the SPECKS were acting like late season birds, And what Bryce said is, I feel like with all these trucks, going around setting up A-frames and, full bodies like this, like what we were doing the night before, the birds were a little bit skittish. So we had to move a couple of full bodies and silhouettes around. But, once that sun got on the decoys, they started finishing a little bit better, and we still ended up with a good hunt.
We got sun on the decoys now. Very
We should have shot our first other player.
Run down the ends. Pretty north. You're gonna be too short.
That afternoon, though, me and Bryce went out to scout again just to see if there was any more birds in the area. And we actually rolled up on the same fields that we hunted that same morning. The birds were still there.
Oh, there's big lines dumping in our field right now.
Oh, there they're getting up now.
Can you drop me pins on all dudes' fields over there that we can hunt?
Yeah.
A bunch of birds got moved around and stuff, so they may be over there, you know. But the birds are dumping back in the same field we hunted today, though, by the way.
Hell, I could have told you that.
Yeah, they're all, I mean, we watched probably 1,000 get out of it already.
Alright, we've got this field, and then the field straight east from it. Straight across the road east.
Alright.
But, I doubt there's anything in it.
That rain, with that rain and everything, I mean, I think with the nastier weather, we should be able to smash them in there with the layouts.
It's gonna be a hunt.
It's gonna be messy, that's for sure. It's gonna be a dirty one.
That morning we had birds land in the field across from us, so we decided that we were just gonna set up in that field the next morning. So we woke up that Sunday morning, had to set up the A-frames and the silhouettes. The weather actually was not looking good for Sunday morning. Me and Cooper specifically were kind of dreading that hunt, and you know, me with my camera, I can't film in the rain, so I really didn't know what to expect and what even the plan was for me, because I figured it was just going to thunderstorm all morning long and it wasn't going to be a good hunt. It was going to be miserable. But I guess the weatherman was wrong, because it rained probably from about 3 to 5 a.m. and then it just stopped. It was a little bit of wind and it was calm. It was gray skies, but that was great conditions for the birds because they finished just the way we wanted to, and they shot really good. It was a great hunt. And you know, even though we only had singles and doubles really come in, we had a couple of groups of 4. We had one big group come in. It was still awesome to see the way that those birds finished. Literally right in front of us, the way we wanted it to happen.
Get him up there.
Update. Had a murder scene. It's okay though. It's okay though. I think we're looking for the last bird. Had a good start off.
Yesterday was rough.
Yeah, yesterday was real rough. Little slower towards the end. All said, fun
Because the camera guy ain't even got a gun.
So y'all make sure to go book a hunt with Bryce Cobb and Turned Up Waterfowl for duck season. Gonna be a good time. I'm gonna film for Bryce a lot more again this year. But if y'all want me to film a hunt for you, you can either add me on Snapchat, watch I'll pop it up on the screen, or you can text or call me at 318-957-1777. Kind of growing my camera business. I want it to grow a little more. So if you're a senior in high school or college and you want senior pictures, or if you have a wedding coming up you want me to film for you, a hunt, a fishing tournament, really anything regarding photography, you can just text or call me or add me on socials and DM me. I do also have a giveaway coming up for the opening weekend of duck season. Gonna give away some of my merch. So y'all make sure to go follow me on Instagram because that's where I'll be posting that stuff. Opening weekend of duck season, I'm gonna be giving away a box of merch and probably more stuff regarding duck hunting items. So y'all make sure to go follow my Instagram to keep y'all selves updated on this giveaway that's coming up. Thank y'all for watching. Can't wait for duck season. It's gonna be a blast. I'll see y'all.